Welcome back to JJW Outdoors. Justin here. Today we are on a great adventure. This little cutie pie right here. This way. Alright, gonna need your help. This is serious now, okay? Check out my view right here. We are driving. I'm not gonna tell you where, but there's an awesome stop and a gorgeous view. Wow, just look at that view. I think we're gonna go take a little hike down there and see what it's all about. But like I said, make sure you watch all of the end of the video because I have an awesome hike, awesome overnight, and an extra surprise coming up later and tomorrow. It's gonna be a fun video. All right, don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you probably at the bottom down there. Look at this view. This view. Oh my pretty. So gorgeous. Make sure you go hit that subscribe button because there's a lot more gorgeous views coming up on this channel. See you later. Everyone's out. Come on, Peter boys. Be careful with this. I said careful. Boy.
I'm a man, I can do it.
Alright, come on, let's get going. Now we gotta climb all the way up there. Yeah, all the way. Alright, let's get going. Please, boys, are you not thrilled because I gotta carry you? No, you are not. All right, peeps, let's go. Excited, peeps? This dude has been pulling for the last 20 minutes. Really exciting. All right, everybody, we have made it to our next stop. We are at the Brown Bridge Nature Loop. Now, I don't know exactly what this nature loop is gonna be, but it seems to be very popular. All right, I will put more information to this trail in the description below, so make sure you go check out the description and figure out what it's all about. There you go. This is your bridge right here. Oh, baby girl. Look at how gorgeous it is. All right. Very good fishing area, hiking area, and the whole works, I'm telling you. So this is your landing right over here to put in a kayak or canoe, whatever you want to use, is right over there. Very cool. So here is your two trails. We got the 20 and the 21, 22. All right, this is a brand new trail to me. I've never been here before. All right, so here is our whole trails, all this red. All right, this way we go. This trail is a 5-mile loop, so it's not an out and back, it's just a loop, which is even better. How far away is our next stop, Mom?
I don't know.
I don't either.
You don't?
This is a brand new trail. I have never been here before, haven't even been in the same area before.
Just by Traverse City. Oh, this one.
Traverse City, Michigan area is where this is at. And it's fall, so we're gonna see some beautiful colors, hopefully. Definitely a heavy walked trail, which is a good thing and a bad thing. So, ooh, check that out. Look at that. We've got some animal tracks too. This is all kinds of a good trail. All right, anyways, we got tons of different little stops, places to go. This is actually a very beautiful area. So I gotta figure out on the map where we're at, where we're going. A bunch of little side trails all the way through here, but I had to come this way to get this view right here. That is gorgeous. Hi, Mama dear. All right, go get Mama. It's hard to see, Pierre. Look at that. Yeah, that's birch, Mom. All right, my bunny rabbit, Pierre. Let's get going. Come on. All right, so here's the deal. Right now, 16, which is here, is where we're at. Okay, hopefully it's focused. We took this trail here instead of up the top of the hill there. That way is what we didn't take. We are going that way to 12, but we gotta go that way first because it's gorgeous over here. Get him, baby girl. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. PG boys. Look at that. All right, so that was a gorgeous stop. Highly recommend. Just kind of go off trail just a little bit. You can see the trails there and the water's right there. So you're not even really going off trail, so don't even think of it that way. But highly recommend you come check this place out so far. Haven't gone very far, but it is gorgeous out here, especially during the fall season. All right, we are heading that way. Keep going on our trail. And let's see what the rest of it holds for us. Pierre is loving life right now. Pierre, get back up here. Good boy. What'd you find? What is it? What is it? What'd you find? What is it? What'd you find? Did you find something? I know you found something. Get it. Go get it. Come on, let's go.
That's it. There's a lost one.
Big boys. Let's go. Come on. All right, everybody, I have some news for you. That little peepsy boys, Pierre, come here. Come here. This little cutie pie right here is having a B-day come up. I'm telling you, it's gonna be his birthday. What should I do for Pierre's birthday? Let me know in the comments below, because this dog, as you know, loves the outdoors. What should I do for his birthday? Let me know. All right, Peasy boys, we still hiking the trail? Come on, let's go. Go ahead. All right, just don't go play in the water. Yeah, this one's racing. Nope, here. This water is racing over here, peeps. Isn't this gorgeous? This is something. Don't forget, go hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because the algorithm on YouTube would really like to see that, and it would really help my channel out. All right, peeps, let's go back this way. Let's go. All right, gonna need your help. This is serious now, okay? This is birch bark. When you go like this, it comes off on your hand. But not the big birch bark. It's only the small young saplings that do that. Let me know in the comments below if you know why, because now I'm really curious. And I really like my birch bark, and now I need to know, why is it like that? Very interesting. Learned something new today. Let me know in the comments below if you know exactly why it's like that. It's like a chalky fuzz. Interesting. It's crazy. It is very crazy. Let me know. Back down the hill. It don't look steep, but that was very steep. Alrighty. Pizza boys took off on me. I gotta go catch them. Alright. Mom, what's wrong?
Let me bring extra sauce. Did it. Pierre better be on your blanket.
PG Air Bear, did you get all wet? Don't drink that one. Did you get all wet, dude? I wonder what that's for.
What are you doing?
I wonder what this is for. It's like a filter down there. Must be draining it over there. You gotta scare the crap out of that guy. Do it. Look at her. She doesn't know what that is. Please, boys, we gotta go that way, dude. Alrighty, so here's the deal. This is the trail we came from. Over there is another trail that cuts right through this whole area right over there, or over to there. I haven't decided yet, because we're not going that way. This is obviously a dead end. This is a place where you can sit. Nice and beautiful. We got it all figured out. All right, this over here is another trail. So you gotta come this way, and you gotta go this way, this way, this way. And you got yourself some little stairs, and then you got yourself some big boy stairs that you come down if I took that other path earlier. Now this is the right over there. That's the way we gotta go. Very complicated.
Good boy. All right, let's go.
This is a pretty neat little thing. It's a little old, that's for sure. Gotta be careful where you step. But it seems to be really cool. Tons of birch bark. If you want to come here and collect birch bark off the ground, this is the place to come do it. Very, very cool. I want to get a cool shot. Walk I was not expecting. Don't you jump down there. Oh boy. What a dog. Alright, so here's what we did. We took this trail going around the green path instead of taking this trail going down here and cutting across or going all the way through. I don't know which one would have been better. We could technically go do both, because we could take it from here, hike down here, come up here, and cut it across back to where we're at. But this is the one we took the boardwalk versus walking through the marshy area. Just made it out of our boardwalk. What a gorgeous view. Alright, so here's our trail that I was talking to you about. So the big one goes that way, the short one goes that way. Hold on, peeps. This is our other trail. And we are at 6 right now, which should be here. So this is the loop I was talking to you about. And there's the one I'm going to cut back across, and then we're going to continue hiking this way. So we are almost halfway now. Right there. Look at this. How gorgeous. Alright, this is why you always carry a bag with you. I don't want to take the stuff off the ground because it's too wet, and I don't want to carry wet stuff with me. This on the tree is dry. Now this is not going to hurt the tree. And this is great tinder source. We are going to need this for later. Alright. That's what I needed right there. Take a look. Probably need to get a couple fires started for me. Now this is a gorgeous view. Alright, peeps, let's go see this view, peeps. Man, oh man, oh man. Look at that. I'm going this way, peepy boys. Whew. Look at those gorgeous trees. All right, got a little warm wearing that puffy jacket, so I had to change into my awesome JJW outdoor sweatshirt. Love this sweatshirt. Ashley did such a good job of doing this logo, but don't tell her that. All right, Peachy Boys. Fine, Peachy Boys, we're sneaking through the woods, Peachy Boys. What are we gonna find? We found a trail! Hey, Peachy Boys, where are we going? Go this way. Go get her. Get her. Go get her. Peach Boys. Trail. I see 2 trails. What? I see 2 trails, but I don't see a map. So we're gonna see what trail is what. There's just 2 trails. I don't think it matters. Oh, we're going this way. I don't know. It says trail and it says trail. Peachy Boys and I were right over here. We could have just walked over here. Yeah, either way, it's good. Look at that tree. It's like a totally different world out here. Look at this. Man, I need to come out here one day and just string my hammock across, just chill by the water, maybe cook something. What do you think? Is that a video that you would like to see? Now, I can't spend the night on this trail, at least not supposed to, but it doesn't say anything about stringing a hammock up and chilling by the water for a while. Let me know if that's something you would like to see. Okay, where'd it go? Where'd it go, peeps? Where'd it go? You better get it. You better get that chipmunk. Twippy, you want the chipmunk? You better get that chipmunk. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Find a chipmunk. Peep, did it go up there? Maybe it was a little red squirrel. Maybe you're right. Maybe it was a tiny red squirrel. Might have been a red squirrel instead of a chipmunk. I don't see it. Yeah.
She's going around the tree. Oh, she's stuck.
Uh-oh. Alright, give her a call. Ooh, what is this, people? Is that a reishi mushroom? It might be a reishi mushroom. Definitely a red squirrel. Peachy Boys just found a red squirrel. Sucker chirped at him and everything. Peeps, where'd it go? Peeps, did it go down there in that hole? Right there, Peachy Boys? Peachy Boys, did it go down there? Alright, get your head out of the hole. Let's go. Come on. I go. Peace, lead the squirrel. Let's go this way. Oh, it's so gorgeous.
Yours just a bouncy.
They do, I love it. Man, look at this stopping point, peeps. There I go. Okay, let's go. Show me where. Careful. I'm coming, don't you worry. We have made it to the next bridge. Look at that. Look at this gorgeous place. Yeah, you be careful, Peachy Boys. Man, oh man, oh man. Would you look at that? And then look at that. Hey dude, we're not taking that path. Yeah, we're going that way. Good boy. I swear there's a person in that dog right there. Alrighty, we are nearing the end of our trip for this little hike. Now, don't you worry, the video is not over yet because we are going to another area that's not hiking, that's not biking, it's not just walking or running, it's car riding. I know you're curious now, so make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video to see what I am up to next. All right, drinking water is that way, so is number 4. So let me show you on the map. And by the way, if you haven't noticed already, we are walking this backwards. It's just the way I found the trail, and that's the way we're gonna run it. But anyway, so we are here on number 5. We can hike this way to number 4 and come back down this way. But because we stopped so long over here, we're gonna cut it going straight across here, and then we're gonna go this way. So we're just cutting that whole loop right off right over there. All right, definitely changed the plan, but that is okay because we are running a little bit low on time because we're hiking nice and slow and easy. No big deal. It's good this way. I'm not sore. Mom doesn't get sore. We don't trip and fall. We don't hurt ourselves. And it allows the dogs to get outside and mess around. This is a pretty neat little thing right here. Let's check that out. Isn't this something? Look at that swampy mess. Bet the mosquitoes are pretty crazy through here.
You stop doing that. Ah! Don't! You scared her.
I scared you, and you scared her. Bloopers. Peeps, come on. Peeps, come. Good way. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We're going. Really? Is you sinking? What is in there? You better go find it, Peeps. What's going on? Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Sweepy, come on. Woo. Peeps boys is already taking off like a rocket. Come on, Peeps. Oh, where are you going? What are you thinking? Come on, let's go. Are you doing okay? Come on, let's go. So that was a little rough for you, huh, Mom? We are here. We are going to here. So we gotta go to that way. Real hard to see on the GoPro, but you see Peeps is going down the hill. Go ahead, buddy. Go. No? You want me to come with you? What are you thinking? But anyways, that big old hill. It's awesome. Definitely climbed up a lot. Oh wow. You hear that thing? That thing is taunting him. Yeah, no, come. Yeah. Oh boy. Come on. Or go. Nah, no squirrel. I'm sorry, that thing needs to be shot now because it's taunting you. I wonder who made these tracks right here. Peachy Air Bear, did you make those tracks right there, Peachy boys? He says, yeah, because I peed over there on that log. Now we have that much more to go. And we are there. Man, Mama dear. We got to turn around.
Yeah, my Lanta, you're wrong.
Peachy boys, how you feeling, Peachy boys? Are you doing good? This little one is starting to get tired. This little one is starting to get tired. I don't think I've ever seen this anywhere. Check that out. It's the clean your boots. That is so cool. Look at that. All right, let's go back down here. Anyway, so this is another parking spot. It's a 2-track road that runs through here. We are obviously parked way that way. But yeah, another little trail that comes down here for parking. Very interesting. Now this is a hill. All right, Mama dear, how you doing? She's starting to get a little tired.
I don't think we're ever gonna get.
I might have to drag her out of here.
Sweet
Well,
Pea gave up.
Who's your boys over there? Is that having fun? Yeah, she gave up. And Peachy Boys are still having fun. Look at him. He's so happy. He's just happy, Peachy Boys.
Wait, he's gonna come with the hill. No big deal. Oh, maybe not. He's gonna go shortcut.
There's no shortcut. He's gonna pee first. He has to relieve himself before he has to climb up the hill. Right, Peeps?
See that one?
Nope. Halfway up the hill.
No, you're not.
Let's go. Definitely a lot longer of a stretch on this side of the river, or whatever it is. But over there is just that. That's all I see. But the river's down there. I like the other side way better, so there is an option where you can just literally just turn around over there. And the sign even shows you turn here. But oh well, we took the long way. Mom wanted to go on an adventure and she got an adventure today. But overall, it's been gorgeous. You're just walking through the woods on this side and you just don't see the river. There's another squirrel up there. Fine. All right, we gotta go that way, but I'm going this way first. Oh wow, Mom, you might just want to come here. Would you look at that view, Peachy Boys? Road is straight that way. Come on, buddy. Oh, you got it. Come on, let's go. We are nearing the end of our trail now. Took a lot longer than I expected here at the end. Still gorgeous. But there was no water on this side. It was just trees.
Come up here.
Which is crazy.
I'm tapping this stuff.
Oh. So we have our other sign up here that will show us exactly where we start. And I can show you that because we obviously went backwards. I highly recommend going backwards though, because you get to see all the beautiful stuff first while you're not tired. And then once the end's done, you can get a little tired. It is a 5-mile hike, so some people can do it great, some people cannot. 5 mile to 6 mile hike is what I enjoy. My feet don't hurt afterwards. I don't feel so tired afterwards. I get to relax, hike. I still have plenty of time during the day. That's what I enjoy. All right, check this out. So this is our exit right here. There's our foot walk. And there's some poop bags right there for the doggies. So I take it down this way is where we parked our car. Alrighty, so we have a little short hike that way, and we will be done with our beautiful hike. It was definitely a gorgeous hike. It was a little long for Mom, but it was perfect for me. No horseback riding, no biking, no camping. Right this way. How gorgeous is this? Don't forget, again, go hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this video to everyone you know, because I gotta get some good views on this video. Thank you very much. All right, Pizza Boys, we are so close. It's right over there, peeps. Overall though, come check this place out. All seriousness, this place is actually very beautiful. This way. Yep. Overall, thank you so much for watching this video, especially up to this point. I do really appreciate it, but if you could help this channel out, share it to a lot of people who you know. I need more viewers. My channel has not been getting very many views lately, and I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. So if you could do me a huge favor and just share the video, that's all I care about. I would really appreciate it. All right, let's head to our part 2 of our little day trip that we are working on. I don't know exactly what to call it, but that's what we're gonna call it right now. We are going to be going in the woods and on a road and with our car. We're going 2-tracking. Let's head that way. Alright, hold up. No. So, you see those gauges go up, we need to stop. So go. These boys is tired. Got my yellow snuggle, buddy. Then I can do stuff like this. Have so much work.
You're such a dork. You stop doing that. Ah! Don't! You scared her.
I scared you, and you scared her. Bloopers.